If you're tired of the excess moisture, lingering odors, or poor lighting in your bathroom, the Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan is the kind of upgrade that makes you wonder why you waited so long. This is a two-in-one powerhouse that handles ventilation and lighting simultaneously, all while fitting into a sleek, low-profile design that looks great in any modern bathroom. The real magic of this unit is how easy it is to install. You don't need attic access to set this up, which is a massive relief for anyone who doesn't want to crawl around in dusty, cramped spaces to finish a home improvement project. It's designed to be installed entirely from below, meaning you can swap out your old, noisy fan for this one in an afternoon. Performance-wise, it hits the sweet spot for most standard bathrooms. With 80 CFM, cubic feet per minute of airflow, it clears out steam and humidity quickly to prevent mold and mildew, all while operating at a whisper-quiet 0.9 Sonos. You'll barely hear it running, which is a major upgrade if your current fan sounds like a jet engine. The lighting is just as versatile. It features 5 CCT, color-correlated temperature, settings, allowing you to choose anything from a warm, relaxing yellow light to a crisp, daylight white for makeup or shaving. Plus, with a 90 CRI, color rendering index, colors look accurate and vibrant, making your bathroom feel like a high-end spa. It's bright, 1000 lumens, energy efficient, and fully ETL and FCC certified for safety. If you're looking to freshen up your bathroom with better ventilation and professional-grade lighting without the headache of a massive renovation, this is the solution. You can find the best price for the Amico Bathroom Exhaust Fan by clicking the link below.